What it now? It's rainy today. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, Spider-Man and guns. Look at, wow, it's Spider-Man crawling. Amazing Spider-Man. What it now? That's good. Wow, wow, Spider-Man guns. Wow. Amazing Spider-Man guns. What it now? Let's go. Looking for gun with my pink basket. Ooh. Wow. What is that? Wow. Amazing finding today. Wow. What it now? There is guns. Wow. I pick one by one. Wow. It's Spider-Man guns. Luckily purple. Wow. Amazing. What it now? Wow. This is Nerf gun. Amazing super Nerf gun. Wow. Put on my basket. Wow! Shotgun. It's yellow shotgun. Wow. Wow. Red gun. Wow. It's gun with sound effect. Wow. What is that? Amazing shotgun. Wow. Wow. That's very good guns. Wow. Wow, fire. Wow. Gun with sound effect. Wow. Fire gun. Wow. This is the best gun. Wow. Shotgun. It's blue shotgun. Wow. Amazing blue shotgun. Wow. This is papaya. Leaf papaya. Wow. Amazing. This is leaf. Wow. Amazing leaf. Put on my basket. Wow. Spider-Man gun. Wow. Amazing Spider-Man gun. Red gun. Red shotgun. Wow. Amazing. Wow. It's rainy today. Wow. Wow. What else? Wow. Blue soft gun. Wow, it's water gun. Yes, this is wow, very good gun. Wow, put on my basket. Wow, this is blue soft gun. Wow, very amazing. Wow, amazing soft gun. Choo. Put it down. Wow. Oh, wow. This is softball gun. Wow. Amazing gun. Wow. Beautiful guns. Wow. Wow. Amazing long gun like we want. Wow. I pick up from here. Wow. This is long gun. Wow. Very good long gun. Wow. Choo. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Long gun also. Wow. Wow, very good gun. Choo. Wow. gun. Wee! This is gun also. Wow! Jump! Wow! It's broken. Wow! Blue gun. Oh, amazing gun. Wadidaw! Wee! Red gun. Wow! Blue gun. Wow! Very amazing gun. Wadidaw! Amazing gun. Wee! One more. Wow, this is blue gun with green telescope. Wow! Choo, 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 choo. Wow, very good gun. Wee! Like handscape? Yes. This is yellow handscape and wow, this is orange handscape. Wee! I get 2 handscape. Wadidaw! Amazing! Wow! Thank you and watch pour oil on my video. Now it's rainy today. Goodbye. Wadidaw TV.